Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to farm 1 million tasks in Tapswap coin. So yeah, let's just start video. So first off, how you can do it, how you can do, so you can farm 1 million coin in Tapswap. Simply you can go your task, and after that here you can see some tasks are here. Now my Tapswap is here this task, so not here in 1 million coins. So here 1 million coins are here, so you can tap on it and simply you can tap on mission and watch the video, and after this you can earn 1 million coin in Tapswap. So that's it, this is how you can do it. See you in the next video guys, bye.